walking through Menards again. Not a bad place, but... Huh? And they have the Christmas decorations out. Christmas, and oops. Oh, more Christmas junk. And what? Holiday's coming up. Halloween. Favorite. There are 19 saying. I mean, there's something to be said for pre-Christmas shopping, but I'm sort of jumping the gun just a tad. Yeah. I don't know, what do you think? Comment, subscribe, talk to you later.